Today we're putting two Foxwell scanners head-to-head, the NT726 bidirectional scan tool and the NT710. If you want live data, active tests, and clear answers without wasting money, stay with me for a few minutes. The Foxwell NT726 OBD2 scanner. If you're a car enthusiast or a DIY mechanic, this is a tool you won't want to miss. Let's get started. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's quickly introduce the Foxwell NT726. This OBD2 scanner is designed to provide comprehensive diagnostics for your vehicle, helping you identify and troubleshoot issues with precision. It's compatible with a wide range of car models and offers an array of features to make your automotive maintenance a breeze. Features and benefits. Here are just a few of the things the Foxwell NT726 can do. Read and clear engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag codes. View live data streams of sensor readings, such as engine temperature, oxygen, sensor voltage, and fuel trim. Perform special functions such as oil reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, and throttle body adaptation. Support all 10 OBD2 test modes, including I or M readiness, onboard monitor test, and freeze frame data. Free lifetime updates to ensure you always have the latest software and vehicle coverage. Large 5.5-inch touchscreen display for easy viewing. Durable and rugged construction for years of use. Navigating through the menus is intuitive, and the user interface is user-friendly even for beginners. You can quickly access information about your vehicle's engine, transmission, ABS, and airbags, among other systems. Let's put this scanner to the test. I've got a car right here, and we're going to see how the Foxwell NT726 performs in real-time diagnostics. As you can see, the scanner provides real-time data on various parameters like RPM, coolant temperature, and more. It's like having a virtual dashboard right at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. The Foxwell NT726 goes beyond basic diagnostics. It comes packed with special functions like mention-specific functions, for example, oil reset, EPB, service, etc. These features can save you a trip to the dealership and help you perform advanced maintenance tasks on your own. One of the standout features of the NT726 is its data logging capability. You can record and playback live data streams, which is incredibly useful for diagnosing intermittent issues. Plus, Foxwell provides regular updates, ensuring that your scanner stays up-to-date with the latest vehicle model. Here are some pros and cons about the Foxwell NT726. Pros: powerful features, easy to use, durable and rugged, free lifetime updates, value for money, wide vehicle compatibility. Cons: learning curve for advanced features. While the basic functions are easy to use, some of the more advanced features may require some learning. In conclusion, the 2023 Foxwell NT726 OBD2 scanner is a powerful tool for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive diagnostics, special functions, and regular updates make it a standout choice in the world of OBD2 scanners. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the Foxwell NT726 has got you covered. That's it for today's review. I'm excited to introduce you to the Foxwell NT710, the ultimate fit for all your diagnostic needs. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. The Foxwell NT710 is not your ordinary scan tool. It's a powerful diagnostic scanner designed to cater to a wide range of vehicles. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the NT710 is the versatile solution you've been looking for. Updated iteration of the Foxwell NT530 and Foxwell NT510 Elite. Foxwell NT710 has upgraded hardware configurations and improved the way to upgrade. Let's dive into some of the incredible features that make the Foxwell NT710 the Perfect fit for all your diagnostic requirements. Full system diagnostics analyze all major electronic control units (ECUs) in your vehicle, including engine, transmission, airbag, ABS, and more. OBD2 functions: read and clear trouble codes, view live data, perform I or M readiness tests, and more. Bidirectional control: perform active tests to control various components and systems like fuel injectors, solenoids, and relays. Live data streaming: experience the power of live data streaming, allowing you to monitor crucial parameters while your vehicle is in operation. This real-time information is indispensable for diagnosing issues and maintaining optimal performance. Special service functions: reset oil light, perform ABS bleeding, SAS, calibration, EPB reset, throttle body alignment, and many more. Battery tester: check your battery health and determine if it needs replacement. Wide vehicle compatibility: works with most OBD2 compliant vehicles from 1996 and newer, including domestic, Asian, and European models. User-friendly interface: a large touchscreen display and intuitive menu. Navigation: make it easy for anyone to use, even beginners. Free software updates: get access to the latest software updates and bug fixes for continuous improvement. Now, let's talk about the benefits you'll enjoy with the Foxwell NT710. Time and money saver: by quickly identifying and addressing issues, the NT710 helps you save money on unnecessary repairs. Its precise diagnostics empower you to make informed decisions and keep your vehicle running smoothly. DIY empowerment: for the DIY enthusiast, the NT710 is a game changer. Take control of your vehicle's maintenance and diagnostics, saving time and money while enjoying the satisfaction of hands-on automotive care. Peace of mind: with the NT710 in hand, you'll experience peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is in top condition. It's not just a scanner, it's a reliable companion on your journey for a worry-free driving experience. Here are some pros and cons about Foxwell NT710. Pros: wide vehicle compatibility, user-friendly interface, free software updates, affordable price. Cons: limited brand software. In conclusion, the Foxwell NT710 is the ultimate fit for anyone seeking precision diagnostics for their vehicle. It doesn't matter what you drive, the NT710 is here to help you keep your wheels turning smoothly. By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.